Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Henry Got Hustle. Actually, I'm gonna take off the mask. I don't need it. I'm inside by myself. But yeah, we're gonna be going to the outlet today. I came to an outlet that's actually 60 minutes away from my house, so it's super far. But I came with my grandma and she was willing to take me, so shout out to my grandma for taking me with you. But yeah, we're gonna hit up the Nike store and the Adidas store too. They're basically additional 30 off Nike, off like the hash wall and some other stuff inside the store, and then additional 20 if you're a member. And then additional 40 off Adidas and additional 20 if you're a member as well, and I'm a member for both Nike and Adidas, so 50 off of Nike and then 60 off of Adidas, which is super good. So we're about to hit those up and see what I find, and yeah guys, I'll let you know inside footage wise. You guys already know, and yeah, let's do it. Alright guys, you can see Nike stores right there. We're gonna hit on in there and let's go. I'm actually super excited right now, so let's do it. Really excited right now. We're about to make some line. A little long, but it's all good. Let's do it. Yo, what's up everybody? So now we're inside the Adidas store. We just left Nike, and Nike has a lot of good stuff. I wasn't really able to see it, but I will show you guys once I get home and everything. But they have like an additional 40 plus additional 20 if you're a member. Hey guys, so this is a continuation from this video that you guys are watching right now. It's been a few days and I've been really busy lately, so I haven't been able to finish the haul, but this is everything I got from this video, and I'm just going to be breaking it down, how much I bought it for, how much I plan on selling it for, and yeah, let's get straight into it. I even got a haircut because it's been so long, but these are the first ones right here. I got these for $11.17. They were like $19.97. It was additional 50. So I normally don't pick up these shoes, but since they were $11, super dirt cheap. I'll probably sell these from anywhere from 40 to 60 bucks. Really good pickup in my opinion on those. And then I got these shoes right here. These Nike Joyride CC3s Setter. Retail on these is $180, and I only got these for like, I think it was 20 something. It was like $22 or something like that, which is like insanely cheap for these. So I'll probably sell these, I don't know, maybe 70 on the super low end, maybe to like 100 maybe. More of a test buy, but when they're only $22, gotta scoop them up. I got a size 11.5 and a 9.5 to test them out, and they come with a box, so even better. And I got 2 pairs of these Nike Air Max 270 Reacts. They're like a grade school. I recommend, if you guys get grade school shoes at the outlet for cheap enough, to try to get them obviously like in a 6Y or 6.5 or 5.5, so that you could get them in a conversion to women's size, because I got one in a 6Y, which is 7.5 in women's, and I got the same pair in a 7Y, so that's an 8.5 in women's, and these are only like $27. So which is super cheap, and I'll probably sell them anywhere from like 80 on the low end to like maybe 120, because sometimes I've sold these for 120 before. So yeah, for $27, very, very good flip, and the colorway is pretty clean in my opinion. So that's those so far. Then I got these. I did end up getting these. These were actually $11, but my dad really liked these, so whenever I find shoes that's in my parents' sizes, I just tell them just to pay me what I got from. Every once in a while, I let them keep some stuff, but sometimes I let them keep them, and sometimes I'm like, just give me what I paid for them. But yeah, these were 11 bucks. I let them keep them for 11. And then also I got these too. I got 2 pairs of these. I think this is probably the best find that I got from this video. They're the Nike, let me see what they're called. The Nike Odyssey React 2 Flyknit. Retails $120, and these were only $11. This is like insanely cheap for this shoe, and this colorway is super clean. If I got this in my size, for sure I would keep it. But yeah, $11, and I got 2 size 12. My dad's size 12, so he kept this one too. But I still have one left, and I'll probably sell this one for, I want to say 70 on the low end, maybe up to 100 maybe. But yeah, for $11, I would pick up like so many of those if they had more, but they only had 2 when I went. Next up we have these. They kind of look like Air Forces. They look like a skinnier version of Air Forces in my opinion. These were only $11 as well. Almost everything I bought was 11 bucks. These are size 13, and I'll probably sell these anywhere from maybe 40 to 65 range, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this is a pretty clean pair for only 11 bucks. It's an automatic scoop. And I got these. I got 2 pairs of these. These were both size 12. It's like the wide version or something. And these are also only 11 bucks. I never pick up this like lower end, like really cheap shoes, but if they're $11, I'll scoop them up all day. Sell them for like 40 to 60 as well. And then I got some Nike Tangents, if that's how you pronounce it. I got a gray color. No, this is the blue. I got the gray and the blue one. They're both size 12. And I got them each for $11. Probably sell them 40, 60, same thing. But for those prices, you gotta pick them up. You gotta scoop them up for those prices. And then this one kind of shocked me because I was surprised to see these. These are a lower end version of Kyrie's. They're called the Kyrie Flight Trap 2s. I got these for $11, which is a super steal. And probably sell these anywhere from 50 to maybe 80. But yeah, really good pickup. They had more. I would have picked, I'm telling you guys, if I found more of these, I would have had a way bigger haul. But when I went like at 5 p.m. Because my grandma took me like right when she got off of work or whatever, she took me. So it was kind of late. Probably other people picked up some more stuff. But this one, okay, I'm gonna try to not take a long time to explain the story. So what happened with these was that I didn't even grab these at all when I went for this haul. And I never even saw them once or whatever, but I had so many shoes that I told them, an employee, I said, can you put them like on the side for me or whatever? I said, I'm gonna buy them for sure. I just wanna look at more shoes because I might buy more. And they're like, yeah, sure. So I think someone had put these on hold, like a completely different person. And I guess they put maybe my shoes right next to this one. And I guess since I had so many shoes, I think they thought these were mine. And they just included them in there. So I was like, when I got home, I was like, wait, I never even bought these. Like, I never even saw them. But they ended up being like $22 and they're size 13. So I was like, never mind, I'm not even mad at it. That's super cheap for those shoes. So I ended up keeping them, obviously, for $22. You gotta keep them, especially with the full box. And then this one was kind of cool because it was a Nike return. So actually, if you guys don't know this, I'm gonna give you guys a quick tip right now. Nike always gets return. The Nike outlet always gets returns for the sneakers app. So sometimes, either if they get returns on it, it's either gonna be in the front of the desk, like when you pay, and they'll have a display or something, or you can ask them in the front. And if they don't have anything in the front, you can ask an employee, and they'll check in the back for you if they're cool or not. But yeah, this location that I went to, it was like a girl. She was super cool. She's super chill. I asked her. She looked in the back and she got these Kyries for me. They're called the Kyrie S2s, the Kybrids or whatever. And yeah, they were with 140 and an additional 50, so they came out to like 70 something dollars. I think they're selling for like 120 to 130 range. So not too bad on these. I'm testing out these Kyries because I've never bought these Kyries before. So more like a test buy, but that was pretty cool. And is that everything for right here? Yeah, it's everything right here. And then I also got these right here. These are like a personal cop, so that's everything from the Nike outlet. Now this is from the Adidas outlet. I got these for personals. Some Stan Smiths, you can never go wrong with them. Classic shoe. I got them for like 30 something dollars, so really cheap on those. And I've been wanting these for a minute, so I got those. And then last but not least, I got these shoes. There's some Adidas OAMCs. It came with like these nurse looking things that you put on the bottom of your feet. I thought it was like a mistake, but it even has the branding on there. It says Adidas and the brand, like the model of the shoe. So I was like, oh, okay, it goes with that. But yeah, so these are it. I got these for like 70 bucks and they're selling for like 230 on Go in this size. So test buy again. I'm gonna try it out. Let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it until the expiration date or if I might hold it till then. I don't know. We'll see. But pretty cool shoe to come across. And the box is crazy. If you guys can see, look, it's pretty sick. And it has like this little divider. So it looks pretty cool in my opinion. And they're 70 bucks when they're selling for 230. I'll test them out, see how they do. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this haul, guys. Oh, and these, I forgot to say how much I plan selling this for. Yeah, 230, because that's how much they're going for. Maybe If I get like a offer of 190 or 200, I'll take it. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, guys. And I appreciate all of you for watching and giving me a bunch of love and support lately. Really appreciate it. And yeah, guys, see you in the next one. Later.